morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. Sit right, children. All of you sit properly on your videos. Take your mathematics textbook and running notes. Okay. In previous class, what we have discussed about fractions. Okay. About fractions. 5th unit fractions. Today in our class also, we are going to discuss fractions. Okay, 5th unit fractions. Okay, in fractions we are discussing in today's class types of fractions. In previous class, on Thursday I explained types of fractions. Which types of fractions are there? First one is like fractions. Yes, children, like fractions. I explained about like fractions. Okay, once again I will explain like fractions and remaining fractions also. Okay, types of fractions. First, like fractions. Which fractions are called like fractions? Already in previous class we learned. Which fractions are called like fractions? In denominators, same numbers are there. Okay, in denominators, same numbers are there. Those fractions are called like fractions. Fractions having the same denominator. Fractions having the same number, their denominators. Fraction, what is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is part of a whole. In fraction, numerator and denominator having. Numerator is taken parts. Denominator is total parts. Yes, am I right, children? Okay. Fractions having the same number, their denominators are called like fractions. Okay. Fractions having the same number. Fractions having the same number as their denominator. As their denominator. As their denominators are called like fractions. Fractions having the same number. Fractions having the same number as their denominators. As their denominators are called like fractions. Example, 2 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 3 by 8. These fractions are called like fractions. Why? Because these fractions are called like fractions. See, children, here in denominators, same number. Isam Varun. Don't eat boy. Sit right first. Sit right. And Komali. Sit right, girl. Sit properly and listen. Okay. Here in these fractions, 2 is numerator, 8 is denominator. Next 5 is numerator, 8 is denominator. In this fraction, 6 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Next 3 in 3 by 8, 3 is numerator and 8 is denominator. See children here? Yes, very good. Here denominators are same number, 8 is there. So these type of fractions, these like fractions, this type of fractions are called like fractions. These fractions are called like fractions, in which fractions are having same numbers as their denominators are called, those fractions are called like fractions. Okay. These are called, okay, these are like fractions. These are called like fractions. Okay. Fractions having the same number as their denominators. As their denominators are called like fractions. Next one is unlike fractions. Next fractions are unlike fractions. This is first one. Next one is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay, different denominators. Here same denominators. Same denominators are called like fractions. Different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay, fractions having different denominators. Different denominators are called unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, fractions having different denominators, different numbers in denominators, which fractions are having different denominators, those fractions are called unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. So for example, 5 by 9, 7 by 13, 4 by 7, 8 by 15. These are called, here see children, here denominators. In this denominator, in this fraction, denominator is 9. Yes, 1 by 6, 2 by 8, 3 by 6, 9 by 1. Okay. These type of fractions are also called unlike fractions. Very good, Murudala Vignesh. 5 by 9. Here denominator is 9. 7 by 13. 13 is denominator. Next in 4 by 7 fraction, 7 is denominator. In this fraction, 15 is denominator. Here denominators are different are there. Okay, here denominators are different are there. Mani Chandana. Mani Chandana. See once your background. Without disturbance, you sit children first. Without disturbance, sit. Sit properly. Everyone on your videos. On your video children. Look at the board. Without any disturbance, you sit and listen carefully. Okay, here denominators 9, 13, 7, 15 are there. So these fractions denominators are different are there. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay. These are unlike fractions. Okay. First, denominators. Which fractions are having same denominators? Those are called like fractions. Which fractions are having different denominators? Those fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay. Next one, unit fraction. Unit fraction. Which fractions are called unit fractions? Unit fraction. Fractions having 1 as numerator. Fractions having 1 as numerator are called unit fractions. Fractions having 1. 1 as numerator. One has numerator. Fractions having 1 as numerator are called unit fractions. Are called unit fractions. Example, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 1 by 3. These fractions are called unit fractions. Unit fractions. Which fractions are called unit fractions? In numerator, in which fractions are having in numerator 1. In numerator 1. Here numerator 1. In this fraction also numerator 1. In this fraction also numerator 1. 1 by 5, numerator is 1. In 1 by 3, numerator is 1. Which fractions are having? Which fractions are having 1 has numerator? Those fractions are called unit fractions. Okay, those fractions are called unit fractions. First one, like fractions. Denominators are same are there in fractions. Those fractions are called like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Which fractions are having different denominators? Different denominators. Those fractions are called unlike fractions. Nation or listen first. Listen good. Next is unit fraction. Which fractions are having 1 has numerator? Those fractions are called unit fraction. Did you understand, children? First, like fraction. Next, unlike fraction. Next, unit fractions. Manichandana, did you understand? Manichandana. Meshana, did you understand, girl? Like fractions and okay, very good, Manisha. Like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fractions. Okay, some more types of fractions are there. Now I will explain. Try this one first. Next one. First, like, unlike, and unit fractions. Next one is proper fraction. Okay, next one is proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than fraction, right? August. A fraction in which the numerator less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. See children here, a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. A fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator. In which fractions are having numerator less than denominator. Numerator is smallest number and denominator is biggest number. Numerator is less than denominator means what? Numerator is smallest number and denominator is biggest number. Sat, sit properly. Sit right, boy. Okay, in which fractions are having numerator is smallest number and denominator is biggest number, those fractions are called proper fractions. Those fractions are called proper fractions. For example, say any fraction, children. Example of proper fraction. Numerator smallest number and denominator biggest number. Like that fraction, say. Say any fraction. Numerator is smallest number. Denominator is biggest number. Yes, 1 by 12. Very good. Very good, Alekia. Next. 1 by 12. Next. 1 by 18. 1, numerator is 1 is there. Those fractions are called unit fraction. Okay, 1 by 18 also proper fraction only. In numerator, take another number also. Not only 1, take another number. Vignesh. 3 by 7. This fraction also proper fraction. Yes, 5 by 15, 2 by 13. Very good. 2 by 13. 7 by 19. Yes? Yes, 2 by 19. Very good, Manichandana. 2 by 19. Yes. Okay, etc. These fractions are called proper fractions. Why these fractions are called proper fractions? Here numerator is smallest number and denominator is biggest number is there. Okay, numerator less than denominator is there. So these fractions are called proper fractions. So Hamsini, what you are saying there? First one, second one, third one. That is like fractions you say. First explanation part I am saying, children. Okay, first explanation part I am saying. I'm not saying exercise 5.4. First, explanation part. First, types of fractions I am saying. Okay, listen children first. Okay, these fractions are called proper fractions. Which fractions are called proper fractions? Numerator less than denominator. Numerator less than denominator having fractions are called proper fractions. Okay. Next one is improper fraction. Next fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than denominator. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal. Not only greater than or equal also. Okay. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal. Greater than or equal to the denominator. Okay. Greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fractions. Is greater than or equal. Equal to the denominator. Denominator are called improper fraction. Are called improper fraction. Okay. See children here, a fraction in, yes, 9 by 9, very good, Manisha. Next, equal, numerator and denominator equal and numerator is greater than to the denominator also I said. Greater than also. Numerator biggest number and denominator smallest number. Like the fractions are also called improper fraction. Say the example. Yes, very good. 8 by 4. 1 by 1. Yes, very nice. 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Next 13 by 13. 15 by 6. These types of fractions are also called improper fractions. Okay. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal. Greater than or equal to the denominator. Okay. Greater than or equal to the denominator are called an improper fraction. Very good. Very good children. Example, 19 by 19, 13 by 7, 9 by 5, next 17 by 17, etc. These are called improper fractions. Okay, these fractions are called improper fractions. Okay, did you understand, children? First, like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Next one is unit fraction. Next one is proper fraction. Next one is improper fractions. Okay? Types of fractions. Like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, and proper and improper fractions. Okay, write down. Next, remaining one fraction is there. What is that? Mixed fraction. Okay? Mixed fraction. Okay, now I am going to explain about mixed fraction. Write down. Last one and sixth one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Which fractions are having whole number and proper fraction? Whole number and proper fraction. Which fractions are having whole number? Whole numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dash, dash, etc. These numbers are called whole numbers. Okay? Whole number and proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator less than denominator. Which fractions are having numerator less than denominator? Those fractions are called proper fractions. Okay? A fraction containing a whole number fraction in a whole number followed by a proper fraction. Is called a mixed fraction. Is called a mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay? Mixed number. A fraction containing a whole number. Whole numbers means 1 to any number. Means it's infinity number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All. Whole number and proper followed by a proper fraction. Proper fraction is called mixed fraction or mixed number. For example, say children, example of proper mixed fraction. Example of mixed fraction. Say whole number and proper fraction. Say whole number and proper fraction. Sad, sit properly. Sad. Say whole number. Whole number means 3. Proper fraction, say any proper fraction. 7 by 9. Yes, whole number and proper fraction. Say these type of fractions. I said one example. Some more examples. Say some more example. I said 3 whole 7 by 9. by 5. 7 by 9, whole number. 7 by 9 is, okay, whole, proper fraction. Say whole number. 6 whole 5 by 8. Yes, very good. 4 whole 5 by 9. Okay, 4 whole 5 by 9. Okay, I think you know, but how to type you don't know. Yes? Okay, children. These type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Did you understand, children, types of fractions? Like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fraction, proper fraction and improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay? Okay, I hope you understand this class. Okay, children. In next class, I will explain exercise 5.4 sums. Okay? Thank you, children.